आज का association जो है it's with Titan Raga Pearls, and I'm here to launch their new collection, which is really very pretty. And the best thing about it is, which I also like to keep in mind, is when I go and choose a watch, it has to be timeless and it has to be beautiful. So the great thing about this range of watches is that it has that timeless quality, it has that sensuality about it, and it's great for all the young women out there who are looking to own something like that. This particular watch that I'm wearing right now,
Right.
it's so beautiful. I love pearls. I'm a big sucker for pearls, to tell you the truth. So to have them on my watch is a double whammy of sorts. And I would wear this with an outfit like this today. I think it goes really well. It gives that feel of timelessness and elegance, and it's really classic. So I would team it up with something like what I'm wearing today. I think that it's important to do things that you believe in, and uh, uh, do those kind of associations that you believe in. And for me to be here today, I actually have very fond memories of wearing Titan watches while growing up. So I think that's one of the decision-making factors. Believe in what you associate yourself with. I think one of the best things about Titan Raga and Raga Pearls actually is the fact that it has this quality which is timeless, and it makes a woman feel very sensual when she wears it. And that's something that I believe in, having that timeless element. तो ये एक्चुअली काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात है दैट one of my first watches was a Titan watch, and मुझे याद है कि the straps of that watch was very colorful and really pretty and very funky. So it's good to be associated with a brand which I've used as a child, you know. And if I had to give a gift, then I would definitely give a gift from this range, from the Titan Raga range, to my mom, because I think that she would love it, because she would love the fact that they have pearls, and she's a big fan of pearls, as am I. So I'm sure that she would enjoy owning one of these watches. मैं किसको वॉच गिफ्ट करने वाली हूँ. अगर एक मौका मिले तो आई वुड लव टू गिफ्ट टाइटन रागा पर्ल with one of these beautiful pearls to my mother. I think she will really enjoy it. How do I believe in changing with time? Right now, frankly, every day and every minute and every hour is very new, and so I just try to keep my mind open to things that are coming my way, and it's great to change with time, and I think you have to keep an open mind to that. अगर आपके पास एक खूबसूरत वॉच है तो आई थिंक मज़ा आता है कि जब आप टाइम चेक कर रहे हो एंड देन आप देखती हो कि एक्चुअली द वॉच आई एम वेयरिंग इज़ अ रियली प्रिटी वॉच, सो दैट ऑल्सो पुट्स अ स्माइल ऑन योर फेस, एंड तो वक्त के साथ साथ यू फील हैप्पी ऑल्सो इफ यू आर वेयरिंग अ रियली लवली वॉच. I'm very happy that I'm going to be able to work with Mohit Suri again, right after Aashiki. तो हम फिर से काम करने वाले इकट्ठे in our next film together. So I'm very excited about that.